Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to play and mate in 2. White has checkmate in 2 moves. So you can pause the video to try and find the move on your own. So best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So this pawn is moving forward in this direction and the king currently can't move. In the thing you need to notice the bishop is already pinned, right? So you can't make a random move, a move like this to try and deliver checkmate on b2, I mean b8. So you can't play rook to b2, that is not the correct move. And if we play any other move with a queen along the 8th rank, it's going to be pinned and it's going to be just stalemate once again, resulting in a draw. So what else can you try? Well, we would like to play rook to g8 and deliver checkmate on b8 by capturing the bishop, but again black can't make a move and that would result in a stalemate. And all of these are not the correct solution. The correct move is actually to play queen to h1. Well, the idea is after black moves, it doesn't matter where black moves, after black moves anywhere, we are going to deliver checkmate with the rook like this. And for those of you wondering, the rook cannot be blocked, right? Because there is a check here as well. So it's a double check and the king must move, and this is going to be checkmate. And if black plays this move, we simply play a move like this and there is checkmate, right? So the king cannot play there because of the rook, and this is once again another checkmate, and black cannot do anything about it. But if you didn't play this move, there are no moves that can work. If you play a move like this, black would go out with the bishop and you still cannot deliver checkmate because the bishop would go back and defend the checkmate, block the check. So actually the solution is queen to h1. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.